Welcome, explorers! Can you identify these amazing treasures, tombs, and temples from ancient Egypt? Which famous ancient monuments are these? Is it A, Great Pyramids, B, Mayan temples, or C, Roman Colosseum? It's A, Great Pyramids. They were built as tombs for pharaohs. What is the name of this famous statue with a lion's body? Is it A, Anubis statue, B, the Great Sphinx, or C, mummy sarcophagus? It's B, the Great Sphinx. It has a giant lion body. Which major river did the ancient Egyptians rely on for farming and water? Is it A, Amazon River, B, Nile River, or C, Mississippi River? It's B, Nile River. It provided water and fertile soil. What do we call these preserved ancient bodies wrapped in bandages? Is it A, mummies, B, fossils, or C, statues? It's A, mummies. They were preserved using linen bandages. What is the name of this ancient Egyptian picture writing system? Is it A, cuneiform, B, alphabet, or C, hieroglyphs? It's C, hieroglyphs. They used beautiful picture symbols. Which famous boy king wore this golden mask? Is it A, King Tut, B, King Ramses, or C, King Khufu? It's A, King Tut. He became a pharaoh at 9. Who was this famous final queen of ancient Egypt? Is it A, Queen Nefertiti, B, Cleopatra, or C, Hatshepsut? It's B, Cleopatra. She was Egypt's last active ruler. What is the name of this paper-like material made from river reeds? Is it A, parchment, B, papyrus, or C, clay tablet? It's B, papyrus. It was made from river plants. What is the name of this decorated stone coffin? Is it A, sarcophagus, B, obelisk, or C, canopy? It's A, sarcophagus. They were carved with protective spells. Which jackal-headed god of embalming is shown here? Is it A, Ra, B, Horus, or C, Anubis? It's C, Anubis. He was the god of mummification. What were these jars used to store during mummification? Is it A, perfumes, B, organs, or C, sacred water? It's B, organs. They held the internal organs. Which lucky insect is depicted in this ancient amulet? Is it A, scarab beetle, B, honeybee, or C, ladybug? It's A, scarab beetle. It represented rebirth and the sun. Where were many pharaohs buried in underground tombs like this? Is it A, Giza Plateau, B, Valley of the Kings, or C, Alexandria? It's B, Valley of the Kings. It was a hidden burial ground. What is the name of this stone that helped experts translate hieroglyphs? Is it A, Rosetta Stone, B, Code of Hammurabi, or C, Pillar of Ashoka? It's A, Rosetta Stone. It helped decode ancient writing. What is the name of this tall, four-sided monument with a pyramid top? Is it A, ziggurat, B, obelisk, or C, pylon? It's B, obelisk. They stood at temple entrances. What is the name of this famous ancient symbol of protection? Is it A, Eye of Horus, B, Ankh, or C. Shenring? It's A. Eye of Horus. It symbolized healing and protection. Which famous queen is depicted in this iconic painted limestone bust? Is it A. Sobekneferu, B. Nefertiti, or C. Hatshepsut? It's B. Nefertiti. It is a world-famous work of art. Which female pharaoh built this spectacular mortuary temple at Deir el-Bahari? Is it A. Hatshepsut, B. Cleopatra, or C. Sobekneferu? It's A. Hatshepsut. She was a powerful female pharaoh. What is the name of this massive temple complex built by Ramses II? Is it A. Karnak Temple, B. Luxor Temple, or C. Abu Simbel? It's C. Abu Simbel. It features 4 giant seated statues. What is the name of this oval frame that enclosed a royal name? Is it A. Cartouche, B. Scarab, or C. Stele? It's A. Cartouche. It protected the pharaoh's name. What was the name of this popular ancient Egyptian board game? Is it A. Senet, B. Or C. Mancala? It's A. Senet. It is one of the oldest games. Which pharaoh built this earliest stone pyramid design at Saqqara? Is it A. Khufu, B. Djoser, or C. Sneferu? It's B. Djoser. He built Egypt's first stone pyramid. Against which object was a person's heart weighed in the afterlife, shown here? Is it A. a feather, B. a gold coin, or C. a lotus flower? It's A. feather. It represented truth and justice. What is the name of this ancient irrigation tool used to lift river water? Is it A. shadoof, B. Archimedes' screw, or C. Noria? It's A. shadoof. It lifted water into farming channels. Which pharaoh changed Egypt's religion to worship just one god, depicted here? Is it A. Akhenaten, B. Tutankhamun, or C. Seti I? It's A. Akhenaten. He introduced worship of the sun. What is the name of this unique pyramid that changes its slope angle halfway up? Is it A. Red Pyramid, B. Meidum Pyramid, or C. Bent Pyramid? It's C. Bent Pyramid. Its angle changes halfway up. What are these 2 symbolic items held by pharaohs to show their power? Is it A. sword and shield, B. crook and flail, or C. bow and arrow? It's B. crook and flail. They showed kingship and protection. Who was the famous high priest and architect who designed Egypt's first pyramid? Is it A. Imhotep, B. Hemiunu, or C. Senenmut? It's A. Imhotep. He designed the famous step pyramid. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.